Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the problem that you're facing right now on clicking the Fn key whenever you're trying to go to the boot menu or when you try to go to the BIOS system. So what I'm going to do, you're going to click on the power button, then I'm going to click the Fn key while the computer restarts, and this is going to go to the BIOS system. During the BIOS system you're going to go to these options. You're going to go to click the right arrow key, then you will see Hotkey Mode, then you can disable it. Click enter, disable. Then after you are going to click F10 to save changes, but in my case I'm going to use the arrow key and go to exit, and I'll go and say quit and save changes. Then the computer will restart. Then I'm going to click F2 to go back to the BIOS system, and this would work without using the function key. I'm going to restart again and show you when I go to the BIOS, the boot menu, still to do the same. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.